Hello, my name is Clive Mono Mukundu. I'm a Zimbabwean session guitarist and music producer. This is a program that I call How I Played It, where I demonstrate and break down some of the most popular guitar lines that I played for different artists. So today I am going to break down the guitar lines that I played for a track called Tambira, Jehovah that we did with Celebration Choir some years ago. And there are many guitar lines that I played on this song, but I'm just going to concentrate on three. The album was produced by a friend of mine called Andrew Bade, and usually he wants you to play as many guitar lines as possible, and then he just chooses a few. So there are many guitar lines on the song, but I'm just going to concentrate on the main guitar lines, which are just three. So the first guitar line goes like... the first part, which is to those that know South African music, it has got a lot of baqanga feel, and I used it simply because the song itself, it has got a lot of elements from South Africa and a lot of elements from Zimbabwe. So I wanted to include some bits of South African guitar and some bits of Zimbabwean guitar. And this is where I thought of adding this line. So the song, we did it in the key of F, but later on it transposes to the key of G. So the first line, I start playing it on fret number 12, and the notes are basically... So it's... That's the first part. If I am to play it with the normal tempo, it's... And then I moved to the part where I was playing thirds. And I'll be starting from fret number 15, which is string number 3 and string number 2. Then I repeat again. Then the melody is complete. So it's supposed to be... Then the second guitar line, it's on this part, and it goes like... Jehovah, Tambira, Tambira, Jehovah, Tambira, Jehovah, Tambira, 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 Jehovah. So basically, I'll be playing the melody like... So I started on, it's in the key of F, as I said before. So I start on fret number 10. It goes like... Then... So the melody, it keeps coming back. So let me start again. Down, down. So the correct tempo it will be... So that's the second part of the... the second guitar line. And the third one, the song is transposed to the key of G, and it goes like... So that's the part when it's now in the key of G, and I'll be right at the, where my guitar frets end, and the melody goes like. To break it down slowly, I start with. Then end with to those of you that know music theory, I'm using intervals of a fifth and intervals of a fourth, and those are very typical Mbira guitar intervals. So basically I was fusing this song with some Mbira guitar to make it very Zimbabwean. I'll repeat the lines again slowly. Yeah, so basically those are the three guitar melodies that I wanted to break down from the song Tambira, Jehovah by Celebration Choir. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mono Mukundu Music, and hope to meet you on the next episode. Thank you.